In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Bybit account to your TradingView account. Now, I'm making this video because a lot of people have been asking me to show them how to connect their Bybit account to TradingView. So if you are one of them, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And just in case you don't know, some of you might want to be asking that, oh, why do I need to connect my Bybit account to TradingView? Now, in case you don't know, you can actually take your Bybit trades directly from TradingView. So you don't need to go to your Bybit account after doing your analysis on TradingView. You can do your analysis on TradingView and also take your trade on TradingView. But the trade you are taking is your Bybit trade, but it's just that you're only doing it on TradingView. And the advantage of doing this is that it helps you to save time and it allows you to take your trade instantly. You know, for example, a lot of people do the analysis on the TradingView app. So once they do it on the TradingView app, you have to cancel the app, then go to your Bybit app to actually take the trade. Now, there are some time whereby you see the time you are moving from one app to the other, maybe the trend you are trying to take advantage of might just go out of position, or you might just lose the opportunity to enter at the perfect entry point. So if you're the kind of person that you don't want to waste any time, you just want to do your analysis and want to see a very good or perfect entry point, you want to enter immediately, then you can connect your Bybit account to your TradingView account. So I'll be showing you right now. So I don't want to waste your time. I want this video to be less than 5 minutes so that you can be able to get everything you want to get from this. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the TradingView homepage. This is the TradingView website. And in case you don't have a TradingView account, just use the first link in the description of this video. You'll see my referral link for TradingView. So just go ahead and click that link and create a TradingView account. And yes, you can use a free account on TradingView. You don't need to subscribe to TradingView before you use it. You can use a free account. So once you click the link in the description below, just come here and click on Get Started if you are creating an account. And you can see right here on the screen, it says free until you are ready. So you can use the account for free. You can have the free TradingView account until you are ready to start making payments. So for example, if you don't want to be making all of these subscriptions right here, you can be using the free account for as long as you want. There is no trial period. I hope you understand. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, just come here and click on sign up, and then come here and enter your email address and the password you want to use. So I'll go ahead right now and log in into my own TradingView account. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I've logged in into my TradingView account. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead to Bybit and log in your Bybit account on the same device you are using. So I'm using my laptop right here, and this is my Bybit account. So I've logged in into my Bybit account. So if you have not logged into your Bybit account, make sure you log into your Bybit account immediately you log into your TradingView account. So go ahead and log in, and in case you don't have a Bybit account, you use the second link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit. So just check it out and go ahead and create an account on Bybit. So you can see right now, I've logged in my TradingView account here, and I've also logged in my Bybit account right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your TradingView account. And once you come here, just come here to where you have the search bar and just click for any trading pair you want to trade. So let's say, for example, I want to trade maybe BTC USDT perpetual. This first one, just click on it. Whichever one you want to trade, just click on it right there. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now you come here to click on See on Super Chat. So you click on it. So you can see right here, I'm on the BTC USDT perpetual chart. Now, the next thing to go ahead to do if you want to connect your Bybit account is to come here to where you have trading panel. So you can see at the bottom of the screen, let me bring it up. So just click it right there. So you can see at the bottom of the screen is where you have trading panel. So just click on it. Now, you can see right here on the screen, I can see the chart of the BTC USDT perpetual contract. Now, the next thing you want to do to connect your Bybit account to TradingView is to come to the bottom side of the screen. I come here to where you have this trading panel. So let me bring it up. If you want to bring it up, just click on this arrow right here where it says Open Panel. So I'll click on it. And then you can see again, you come here to where it says this trading panel. You click on it. Once you are there, you come here and search for Bybit. So if you scroll up right here, you see that there are different platforms that you can connect. So you can see you have Easy Market, you have OKX, you have Capital.com, you have Binance, you have BingeX, you have CFC Market. There are different ones that you can find right here. But if you're not seeing whichever platform you want to add right here, you don't need to panic. Just come here and click on All Brokers. So just click on it right there. And then to show you all the other brokers you have that you can connect right here. So if I scroll down, I think this is Bybit right here. So this is Bybit, you can see it. That is Bybit that you can go ahead and connect. But just in case you're not seeing the platform you want to connect, just come here to this search bar. So you see the search bar. Click on it right there and search for whatever broker you want to connect. So if it's Bybit, just search for Bybit right there. And you can see on the screen, it will bring it out for you. So if you want to connect your Bybit account, just click on this right here. Like I said on the screen right here, it says connect. So if you want to connect it, just click on connect right here. As you can see on the screen right here, it redirected me to this page where it says connect TradingView to your Bybit account. TradingView is requesting access to the following functions in your trading account. Number one, place orders. What does that mean? That means that you can now use your TradingView account to place orders, that is to take trades. That's just the meaning. And number two says to close positions. That means that you can also close your positions directly from TradingView. So it means that you don't need to go to Bybit app to close your position. So just in case you are looking at your chart or your analysis, and I think that, oh, maybe this thing is kind of going against you, or you want to quickly close your profit or take your profit, you can easily do that on TradingView instead of you closing the app again and going to Bybit. I hope you understand. And then number three is to view your asset balance. So you can be able to view your asset balance directly on TradingView. So you can see whatever amount you have on your Bybit account, you can see it on TradingView too. And you can see the next thing right here is that note, granting access does not allow any fund withdrawals. So what this means is that if you connect your TradingView to your Bybit account, they won't have access to withdraw your money or to remove money from your Bybit account. No, these are the only three things they can do with your account: place orders, close positions, view asset balances. And you are the only one who can place the orders and close the orders. I hope you understand. So you can't withdraw your money. Nobody can also withdraw your money for you on TradingView. You can only withdraw your money on Bybit. So your money is safe, your funds are safe. I hope you understand. And then it also says right here that if you're a new user, please complete identity verification and make a deposit on the Bybit website. So if you are a new user, maybe you are just creating your account, then you need to do your identity verification first on the app, and you also need to deposit some money on the Bybit account. So once you are good with all of this, then just click on authorize. And just like that, your account has been connected. So let's go to TradingView to confirm. So I'll come back here to TradingView, and then you can see right here, you can see where it says this Bybit. So you can see I have Bybit right here now. You know, before it was trading panel that was there. So right now I have Bybit. And under it, you see where you have Bybit right here. So just in case you have connected maybe different brokers, maybe you connected Bybit, Binance, BitGet, BitX, and so on, you can switch between them. So if I click on this drop down arrow right here to show me the different brokers I've added or connected. But right now it's only Bybit I've connected. So it's only Bybit that will be there. And then right here beside it, you see your account, Unified Trading Account. So if you want to use your Unified Trading Account to trade, you must put it on Unified Trading Account right here. If not, you can just change it to Unified Trading Account for spot. That's if you want to do spot trading. And also you can change it to Unified Trading Account for inverse trading. So if you want to do derivative trading, that's futures trading, make sure it is on this Unified Trading Account derivatives. Make sure it is on that. So I'm going to leave it as Unified Trading Account derivatives right there. Now, the next thing you'll be able to see if you come to this side is where you'll be able to see the total amount of money you have in your account. Now, you can see that you have this total equity. So this total equity means this total amount of money you have in your Unified Trading Account, and it covers your USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, any coin you have under your Unified Trading Account. You see the total amount right here. So the total equity covers not just only USDT, but also the other cryptocurrencies you have in your Unified Trading Account. And if you come here to you have margin balance. Margin balance shows you only for USDT. So if you want to trade with USDT, it means that this is the amount you have for USDT. So if you want to do maybe futures trading, this is the amount you can use. So this is the USDT you have out of this total equity. I hope you understand. So again, this total equity is showing you the total amount of money you have in your wallet, in your Unified Trading Account, including different cryptocurrencies. But for this margin balance, it's only showing you the USDT you have in your Unified Trading Account. I hope you understand. And then we come here to this unrealized PNL of perpetual and futures. Whatever amount you are seeing right here, we show you whatever profit or loss you are making on any open trade you have. Now, I don't have any open trade, that's why it's showing 0. But if I enter any trade right now or take any trade, as my profit is going up or down, this will be reflecting it right here. So whatever I see right here is the profit or loss I have from any of my trades. I hope you understand. So that's everything on these details that you have right here. Now, the next thing is, how do you now go ahead and carry out your trades? Now, if you want to go ahead and carry out your trades, you come right here to this top. So you can see where you have this sell and where you have this buy. So let's, for example, maybe I want to buy, this is BTC USDT. So let's say I want to buy, I'll just come right here and click on buy. Don't forget, buy means that I'm predicting that it's going up, and sell means that I'm predicting that it's going down. So buy means you are longing BTC, sell means you are shorting BTC, just so you understand it better. So if you want to go ahead and long BTC, just come here to where you have buy right here, just click on it. And right here on the screen is where you actually take your trade. Now, the first thing we see is where you have your order types. You can see you have market, limit, stop, and stop limit. If you have been watching my videos, you should know the differences between these order types. For market, it means that you want to enter the current price of the market. That means that you want to enter the trade right now. And if you have limit right here, limit means that you want to enter the trade at your own preferred price. That means that maybe, for example, you want to wait for the price to come down a little bit before you enter the trade. Then that's when you use limit. So you set the price at which you want to enter the trade. But for the sake of this video, let's say I want to enter the trade immediately. I'll just use market. So I'll come here to market. And the next thing is to come here and enter the amount you want to use for this trade. Now you see where you have this margin USD. You click on this arrow beside it. You see you have different things that you can select right here. Make sure it is on margin USD. So margin USD means how much of your money do you want to use for this trade. So let's say, for example, I want to use, I don't know, okay, let's say $50. So let's say I want to use $50 for this trade. I'll put in $50 right there. And then the next thing is to come here and select your take profit and your stop loss. So if you want to set take profit and stop loss, make sure you tick these two boxes and then come here and set your take profit and stop loss. Now to set it, if you want to set it in percentage, for example, maybe I kind of person that you want to set it with percentage, maybe that's what you are used to on Bybit, just come here to where this ticks is, where you have ticks. Click on the drop down arrow beside it and then you can see where it says percentage price. Click on it. So let's say, for example, you want to take your profit when it goes up by, let's say 2%. So you can put 2% right there. And for your stop loss, you want to use the percentage too, put percentage right there and click on percentage price. And then if you want for your stop loss, you can say, okay, you want to take your stop when it moves down by 1%. So that's it right there. Now you might be wondering and saying, oh, does that mean that I'm going to just make 2% profit or I'll just make 1% profit? No, that's not the meaning. Your profit now depends on the next thing I want to select, which is your leverage. So you can say you have this times 10 leverage or 10x leverage is your leverage that determines your profit. So right now, if I'm selecting 10x leverage, if I'm going with this 10x leverage, it means that if it gets to my take profit, this take profit right here, I'll be making 20% profit. How do I calculate that? Is whatever percentage you put here multiplied by your leverage. So if it gets to this price, this one at $16,037, I'll be making 20% profit. So 20% of the $50 I want to use for this trade. Don't forget the margin, I entered $50. So 20% of that $50 is $10. So I'm making $10 profit, between $9 to $10 profit. And just to confirm it, you see a reward. You can see reward right here. It is $9. So I'm making $9 if it gets to that take profit. So between $9 and $10. Don't forget they will take the fee. And then if you come here to where you have your stop loss, for your stop loss, it is 1%. So my stop loss, if it gets to this price right here, is 1 times 10x leverage, which is 10% loss. So if it gets to this point, I'm making a 10% loss, and 10% of that $50 is $5. So between $4 to $5 is my risk. So you can see risk right here is $4.55. I can also see it right here. This has changed to risk. So risk is $4.55. But if you want to put it in margin, so margin will change to, okay, you can see margin will automatically change to $45.49. So once you put in your take profit, your stop loss and everything, it automatically adjusts the margin and the risk. So you can see right here, I'll be entering with $45 and my take profit will be 20%, and 20% of this is about $9. So you can see it right here. I will be making $9.10. And you can see for the stop loss is 10%. So 1 times 10, don't forget, 10% loss, and that's about 10% of this is $4.5. So this is right here. You see it's $4.55. And just in case you change this, if you change this to 20x leverage, don't forget your profit will now be 20 times 2. That's 40% profit, and 20 times 1 for stop loss will be 20% loss. So take note of that. So once you've gotten all of these things right here, just come to the bottom and click on buy 0.003 BTC USDT perpetual market. So that's just the information you have right there. So I'll come right here and click on this. And just like that, you have entered this trade. So you can see this is the trade right here. Come to where you have position. So you can see position. So right now, I don't have to go to my Bybit account to be checking my trade. I don't need to do that. So you can come here and monitor your trade. So you can see this is the trade. So you can see it's showing you as exactly as you will see it on Bybit. So this is it right here. So you will see the details of the trade right here. You can see our take profit. This is our take profit. This is our stop loss right here. And you can see as the profit is going up and down, you will see it right here. So we are currently on $0.0 profit. And it will also show right here. Don't forget I said it will show right here. Whatever amount you see right here is whatever profit or loss you are making on any open trade that you have. So you can see that it's simple and straightforward. And if you also want to close your trade, you can also close it right here. You don't need to go to Bybit. So if you want to go ahead and close your trade, just come right here. Now, if I go ahead and show you how to close your trade, if there's some information right here that you feel like they are unnecessary for you, you don't want to see them, just come here to where you have this. You can see where it says column setup. Click on it, and then you can untick the ones that you don't want to see right there. So let's, for example, I don't want to see maybe this. I don't want to see this. What else? Update time. I don't know if you want to see it, so you can just check out all of this right there. Whichever one you don't want to see, just remove it right there. So back to closing your trade. So if you want to go ahead and close your trade again, come here to where you have this X. So you can see where you have X right here. You can see it says close. Just click on it. So you can see it right here. It says close position. So if you want to go ahead and close it, just come here and click on close position. And just like that, you can see I've cancelled the trade. So that's the simple way to connect your Bybit account to your TradingView and also take your trade on TradingView and also close your trade on TradingView. It's simple and straightforward. So right now, you don't need to be going back and forth between TradingView and Bybit. You can actually do everything on TradingView. So if you have learned something from this video, let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, before I go, I want to talk about this trading competition that Bybit is currently having as at the time of making this video. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, it says WSOT 2025. So this is a trading competition that Bybit is always doing every year, and they reward top traders. So if you want to participate in this and be among the top traders, I've created a squad where you can join. I am the leader of the squad. So if you want to join the squad, just click on the third link in the description of this video. It will be the third link in the description of this video. Just click on it and you can go ahead and join. So I just created it, and we just have 6 days to join. So if we don't have up to the eligible number of people in the group, we won't be able to start this. So if you are interested, I want to join the squad, just click on the third link in the description of this video, or you check the pinned comment of this video. So just showing more information about it, you can see this is it. So the title or the name of the squad is Gen2 Traders right there, and you can see congratulations, you're a squad leader. So I'm the squad leader of this, where you have Gen2 Traders. So if you want to go ahead and join, just click on the third link in the description below. And right here in this competition, there are different prizes for different winners. So you can see right here, you have early bird registration starting from August 12, and general registration is starting from August 18, and you have late registration from August 27. So if you can join right now, just click on the third link and go ahead and join. Don't forget, they are giving out a prize pool of 10 million USDT. So they are giving out different prizes to different people. So if you want to participate in this and win, again, click on the link and join. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.